Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a topic that's buzzing in the tech community, the Asus Vivobook S15 OLED. Now it's 2024, and I know what you're thinking. Is this laptop still worth considering? Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about that display. The Vivobook S15 sports an OLED screen that was a game changer back in the day, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks. But here's the real question. Does it still stand up against the newer models? Honestly, it does hold its own. The visuals are still stunning. And for everyday tasks and entertainment, it's more than sufficient. Now, performance-wise, this Vivobook is powered by an Intel Core i7 processor. Sure, it's not the latest generation, but it's no slouch either. For the average user, it delivers all the power you need to breeze through daily tasks. But if you're into heavy-duty gaming or video editing, you might want to look at newer models. What about portability? The S15 is lightweight and slim, making it a great option for those on the go. The battery life, however, doesn't quite hit the mark anymore, especially compared to the new laptops on the market. So if you're often away from a power outlet, this could be a deal breaker. In conclusion, the Asus Vivobook S15 OLED still has some tricks up its sleeve in 2024. It's not at the forefront of technology anymore, but it offers a solid experience for the right user. If you're looking for something for basic tasks and love that OLED display, this could still be the laptop for you. However, if you're after cutting-edge performance and features, you might want to explore newer options. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.